Saints, and here I am with another preview for your Bible reading of this upcoming week. And I'll keep it short because you all are spending a lot of time looking at my face on video this week. Anyways, in this particular week, we really ride and roll with King David. And I want you to focus on a couple of relationships that come up. First, that starts off right in our first chapter of this week's reading, is we see David and Jonathan and their beautiful and close relationship. And so definitely check it out and think about the relationship between David and Jonathan. We see the relationship between David and Saul go way south. And so check that out and see what happens. It's kind of wild how wild everything gets. So moving right along, Samuel will pass away. So pay attention to that. And then we meet Nabal. Now, Nabal, interestingly enough, his name means fool or idiot. And there's a story about him, and we meet Abigail, his wife, and there's a relationship that forms between David and Abigail, so something to pay attention to. Afterwards, there's more travails in David's experience as he tries to survive. We see a relationship unfold between David and the Philistines, who were previously his enemies, and for a while don't become his enemies, so definitely pay attention to that. And then once he's fully entrenched as king, there's another relationship that comes up that causes him a lot of trouble, and that's his relationship with Bathsheba. Out of that Bathsheba piece and his punishment for that, his house, his home, his family starts to experience some real drama and discord, which is highlighted at the end when one of his sons usurps the throne. And so it's a really wild set of readings. It also includes David dancing before the Lord. So it's a really wild set of readings. This week, if you're a fan of King David or at least a fan of the drama in the Bible, this is a really good week for you. I hope you enjoy it, and I'll see you soon.